Hello little learners, today we are going to learn about something very special. Do you know what is this? No? Parts of the body. Our body helps us move, think, eat, play and do so many things every day. Let's explore some important body parts. Head. Eyes. Ear. Nose. Mouth. Teeth. Tongue. Neck. Shoulder. Arms. Hand. Finger. Leg. Knee. Foot. Great job, little stars. Now you know your body parts. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe for more videos.